Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're going to give your Linux system a massive audio upgrade. If your laptop speakers sound a bit tinny, or you just want richer sound out of your headphones, you're in the right place. We'll be using a powerful tool called Easy Effects to add incredible depth and customization to your audio. Let's dive in. First, let's get everything installed. Open up your terminal and type in the following command to grab Easy Effects along with some essential audio plugins: sudo apt install Easy Effects, LSP plugins, LV2, CAF plugins, XAMPP plugins, MDA LV2. Hit enter, scan your fingerprint or type your password, and confirm the installation. Easy Effects uses these plugins behind the scenes to completely reshape your audio. Once it's done installing, open up your app menu, search for Easy Effects, and launch it. When you first open it, click on the Presets button in the top right. You'll notice the list is completely empty. Don't worry, we're about to fix that. If you want to build your own profile from scratch, you can head over to the Effects tab at the bottom and click Add Effect to see a massive list of individual equalizers, compressors, and limiters. Instead of tweaking every setting by hand, let's install some professionally tuned profiles. Go ahead and download the preset folder using the link in the video description. Next, open your file manager and head to your home directory. Press Ctrl+H to show your hidden folders, then navigate to .config, open the Easy Effects folder, and finally, open the output folder. Simply copy the audio profiles you downloaded and paste them right here into the output folder. Now, give Easy Effects a quick restart. Click on Presets again and you'll see your new audio profiles waiting for you. I'm going to select Bass Boosted because I love those deep, rich, low-end notes. One quick but crucial tip: make sure your main system audio output is still set to your regular hardware, like built-in audio analog stereo, and not the Easy Effects virtual sync. Easy Effects handles the processing in the background automatically. Let's play a quick track to test it out. As you can see, the equalizer waves are bouncing perfectly, which confirms our new audio profile is actively working. Want to take it a step further? Let's add an impulse response effect for theater-like depth. Go back to your downloaded folder, copy the IRS files, and paste them into the IRS folder inside your .config/easyeffects/directory. Back in Easy Effects, add the Convolver effect. Open the Impulses menu on the far right and you'll see your new files. I'll select Max Audio Pro to give the sound an incredibly wide, cinematic soundstage. Last but not least, let's make sure this amazing sound loads every time you turn on your PC. Click the menu icon in the top right, go to Preferences, and toggle on Launch Service at System Startup. Right below that, you can set your favorite profile as a default autoload preset. And just like that, you are all set. Your Linux system now boasts high quality, customized audio. If this video helped you get better sound out of your setup, please hit that like button and subscribe to support the channel. Let me know in the comments which preset sounds best on your speakers. See you in the next one.